Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddstamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my February Create With Me Club kit. So every month I do a kit. This project has, I think it has 6 cards this time. I'll have to count while we do it. Using the lovely arrangement stamp set. And so one of the things about Create With Me Club is it's a subscription. So you sign up, you get it every month. For as long as you want. You can cancel at any time. If you stay on for 6 months, I send you $25 worth of Stampin' Up! Product. I think the last few months I've done the birthday kit, crafting kit. So that was kind of a nice little surprise for people. But every 6 months it'll be something different. So anyway, the other thing is that you don't have to sign up for the subscription. You can sign up for an individual month. You could also sign up for just a 1 monthly kit. So you just get it for that month, and then if you want it the next month, you have to re-sign up for it. So anyway, let me flip my camera. We will get started. I'll show you what this kit involves. So this one uses the lovely arrangement stamp set. This is an online exclusive from Stampin' Up! And we're also using the dies for this set. These are really fun dies. Lots of fun with that. These are the dies, so you can see how big they are. Good size. And these 3 cutout images from the stamp set, the flower and the leaf images. These banners or these labels fit your sayings. And then we have these 2 decorative stamps that you can, or dies that you can use for stuff. So let me move that out of the way. So this month your paper is the lovely arrangements paper, and it's beautiful. So you get 1/3 of a pack of paper. As you can see, the prints are really pretty. I just love these colors together. I love this one. But petal pink and cloud cover, old olives, and secret sea are your colors that we're using. And then the embellishments, you'll get a full pack of embellishments. This is the Moody palette, and these are white up here. I think you can see that. And cloud cover, old olive, and secret sea. And then you'll get a full spool of the cloud cover ribbon. This is like the softest ribbon ever. It's easy to tie, fun to play with. I use the 2 ink pads, Secret Sea and Old Olive, in this kit. So what the kit entails is you get 2 of each card that I've made. You'll get them in card packets, cardstock cut, scored, pieces ready to go. You will have to cut your own designer series paper, but I will send you a PDF of those projects. So this is one of the cards. Just so you can see where I use the designer series paper. This is that little scallop background. Our embellishments are on there. It's cute. And then you also get envelopes. So each card will come with, and there'll be enough envelopes so that you can decorate them too for your cards. And also we do the insides, do a little decorative on that. This particular one is one of the techniques I'm showing. And you just stack and move your papers around, and you can make very similar cards that look a little bit different. So that's 2 of them. Here's one using that great background die. You can see those on that. And then this one with the matching envelope. So those are the cards that you will get in the kit this month. Like I said, there'll be 2 of each. There are 6 cards this month, which is a bonus. Usually I started out doing 4, kind of moved to 5. This month you get 6, but it's really just depends on what technique I'm showing and how creative I got and how I can keep it affordable. So because you were only getting 1/3 of a pack of designer series paper this month, I was able to pop in a couple extra cards. So that's always a bonus. So if you're interested, I'll put the information down below in this YouTube video that you can sign up for my club. It's Create With Me Club. I look forward to this. I really love making plans for this club. So you will get the PDFs and a video of me making each project. So take care, and I hope you have a great February. Talk to you soon. Bye.